e-learning. In this session, I will discuss detail about RGB model color image, how I can read a color image, how I can display individual channels of the color image, like how I can display our channel, how I can display green channel and the blue channel. Then the combination, how I can just do some modification on each channel, what will be the impact into the final color version of the image. So let me start with Matlab coding. So here, so I will start with a new coding. So if I'll go to the file, new script, and I will start with the three commands: clc, close all, and clear all. So if any previous programs opened, it will close and clear all the, once you use the clear commands, it will clear all this internal variable, and clc will clear the screen here. Okay, now let us save the program and save as, and the program called RGB model. So let me just read an image. It's called RGB image, or I can save as image one, and it will be IM read. There's an image which is called lana dot png. This is the first method, and in later I will teach you how we can read in a different way the image. So first of all, read an image, and as a figure 1 is, and you will show an image. Okay, image 1. So we'll read an image, and once you read, we can notice that it's a color image. So if you want to know what are the three channels, how many channels there, all this information, you can save this image by using the command. You can get the details, the size of image. If you use the size command, you will get what's the size of the image. So you can see this image, and this consists of 512 rows, 512 columns, and 3 channels. Now if you want to split each channel separately, and we want to display each channel, so I don't want to display time being the color image, so just you can use the symbol, the percentage symbol for a commenting purpose, or you can use the shortcut command, the control R. Okay, so let us just convert this image into, so you can comment this line. Okay, that shift R command. Okay, so let us just continue here. I want to select the red channel, or split the image into 3 channels. So the first channel we can call a red channel, so it will be, right, you can say RGB format, RGB model, red channel, red layer, or we can say red layer. Okay, red layer or red channel. How I can extract? For this one, I put as R is equal to this image 1. Okay, your original image, or you can just select all the columns, comma, all the rows, and select the first channel. 1 means indicating the first channel, so it will be your red channel. The same way, you can just select other 2 channel, red, green, blue. So let us select each one. So I will modify the code. Okay, the first one red channel, then the green channel, then the blue channel. For the green channel, we have to select only the second layer, and the blue channel third one. So RGB model, it was model into channels, layers, converting to the layers. Okay, so we already know what is a color image, converted into it. Now this is the first one, it's indicating a red layer, and the second one is known as green layer, and the third one is the blue layer. Now I just want to display all images and each layer separately. Maybe I want to represent all these 4 images in a single, like in a single window. How I can use the command? We already studied previously the figure, and you have to use the command subplot 2, 2, 1. You can represent the first image, I am show, and image 1. And you can also give a title which is called color image. Now we want to display each channel separately, red, green, blue. So I will copy this code and will modify 3 times. So I'll copy 3 times. Now in the second image, 2 2, this 2 2 indicating 2 rows and 2 columns, so total 4 images will be, and the last the parameters indicating which location of the image. So the second image I can just represent as a red image, so I can just mention as, instead of this title, I can just mention as a red channel, red layer, or red channel. And next image I can just red green channel, so this will be image 3. And this will be, you can save or you can copy this title, copy the title and change the name here. Okay, so red, this is a green channel, and the same way the last image, it will be RGB, the blue channel, and you can change it here as a blue channel, blue channel. Now let me just run it and we'll see the output. So you can see, basically this is the color image. This color image is consist of three layers. So the red layer, the green layer, and the blue. Once you combine all these three, we can just get it back into the color image. So each channel. So let us just do more practice or more activity with these images. So let me to do the modification, I will create one more image in such a way that I'll create a new image which is called image 2, and which will be the same size of your original image 1. So let me save the size of the original image first. Here I will write a command, row 1, call 1, and set 1. It will indicating, or it will counting what will be the size of your color image 1. And after that I'm creating a new image which is called image 2, and image 2 I'll creating as a zeros. All the value will be 0, which will create the same size of my original image, but all the values will be 0. It will create a matrix, so it's will row 1, and I can return as a row 1 and a call 1 and set 1. Right, it will create a matrix with the same size of my original image. Okay, now what I'm going to do here, this image I will change the, now this image 2 consists of like a dummy image of the same size of image 1, but all the three channels values are 0. Okay, so let me just first of all display this image. So how I can just display this image, if you want to display this matrix, first of all you have to convert into image format, so you have to use IMShow. Let us just display the figure, and IMShow, and here I will use the command image 2. And when you display an image 2, and make sure that it's not in image format, so first of all you have to convert this image to image format by using the command uint8, convert into an integer number into unsigned integer format. That's the format of an image 2. Okay, now if you display, what will happen, image 2 will be purely black. See here, pure black values, there is nothing else. Now what I just want to do here, I want to modify, or I can even display each channel separately, or as a whole image I can display. Now what I'm going to do here, I will just modify only one channel. Example here, image 2, select first channel. So all the rows, all the columns, first channel. This first channel, I will put a value as the value of your red channel. So I'll select as a red channel. Now I will display an image. So you can see some amazing results. You will get it now. You see here, now your image is purely red color background. How it's happening? So I can just display this image in detail, each channel separately. First of all, display the the full image, then each channel separately. So instead of displaying the image 2, I will just display as a in the same format. So I'll copy here, I'll display this image, and the first image is known as image 2 whole image, and here it will display each channel separately. How I can display each channel, image 2, the first channel, only one. Okay, this is the first channel is representing. And the same way, instead of gray, I'll write image 2. Okay. And all the rows, all the columns, and the second channel. And the same way, I'll write the last one. So image 2, all the rows, all the columns, the third channel. So now let us just display this image. What will be your expected output? You see here, why this is your original. So let me say with the image with a different image name, because the first image is a figure. So let the second one is again put the figure. Otherwise, it will override the original image, not original image, original figure. So now you can see the comparison. You have an original color image which consists of 3 channels, and we display each channel value separately. What's the red channel, what's the green channel, what's the blue channel. Now what I did, I create, this is called image 1. Now I created a new image, it's called image 2, which having the size, same size of image 1. Initially I put all these 3 channels fully 0. Then if I display, and it's showing as a black. Now after that, what I done, I selected only the red channel. I copied this red channel to the red channel here. Other 2 channel I didn't copy. I just put a 0, purely 0. So what will happen? So now it's got as a, you got as a the image which is called a red image. Now if you want to get it a green image, what you have to do, make this channel 0, only make the copy the information from the green channel. So let us just make a small modification in this code. So if you want, so I will only copy the image, the same code I will copy only to the second channel. Second channel, what I will copy, I will copy the green. So here the modification, I copied into the second channel. Initially all the 3 channel will be 0, then you copied only 1 channel. So now let us just run the code program. Now you see here, when I copied the image, so you see here the fundamental. So what happened? Original image which consists of 3 channel, and after that I created a 3 channel with the same size. All the initial values are 0. Then I copied only the green channel value to the green, other 2 are 0. Now after that, if you display as a color images, you can see this result as a the green. And if I'm just copy only the blue, what will happen? We can just verify. So you copy the third one to the third channel, red, green, blue, and you run the code, and you can see the results. It's only purely blue. So this is the another way of the representation. There's a fundamental any color image which consists of 3 layer RGB. And in my next video, I will explain in more details about if I'm using more than 1 channel, if I'm copying the red channel and the green channel, what will happen. So thank you for watching.